Narendra Modi's second visit to Varanasi in pole-bound state of Uttar Pradesh in 10 days. On December 23rd, PM Modi visited Varanasi once again to lay the foundation stone for 22 developmental projects in Varanasi worth Rs 870 crore. Among the 22 projects, the PM also laid the foundation stone for Banas Dairy Sankul at the UP State Authority Industrial Food Park. While talking to the people, the PM took a dig at the opposition.
बहुत लंबे समय तक इस सेक्टर को जो समर्थन मिलना चाहिए था वो पहले की सरकारों में मिला नहीं। अब हमारी सरकार देश भर में इस स्थिति को बदल रही है। हमने कामधेनु आयोग का गठन किया, डेयरी सेक्टर के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए हजारों करोड़ रुपए का विशेष फंड बनाया है।
He also lauded the Yogi government.
आज वाराणसी के जो चौराहे सुंदर हो रहे हैं, सड़कें चौड़ी हो रही हैं, नए पार्किंग स्थलों का निर्माण हो रहा है, उससे शहर में ट्रैफिक जाम की स्थिति में बहुत सुधार हुआ है। अब जब ये 6 लेन का ही हो जाएगा तो दिल्ली, आगरा, कानपुर, प्रयागराज से आने वाले यात्रियों और सामान ढुलाई सभी के लिए सुविधा होगी। यही नहीं, शहर के दूसरे क्षेत्रों के लिए भी अब आना जाना और आसान हो जाएगा।
In the last 34 days, PM Modi visited Prayagraj, Shahjahanpur, Varanasi, where he inaugurated state-of-the-art infrastructure surrounding the historic Kashi Vishwanath temple near the iconic Dashwamedh Ghat. He also visited Balrampur, Gorakhpur in November, besides inaugurating the Noida International Airport at Jewar in Gautam Budh Nagar. The PM also visited Jhansi, Sultanpur. On November 16, PM Modi inaugurated the 341-kilometer-long Purvanchal Express in Sultanpur. 4 out of Modi's 7 visits have been to eastern UP alone. Now, why is the BJP trying to woo the voters, particularly in eastern UP, ahead of the assembly polls? Eastern Uttar Pradesh is the key to the state's assembly polls. The region is the largest in terms of demographics. Also, BJP suffered losses in terms of assembly coverage. BJP won only 274 segments in 2019 compared to the 315 seats in 2017 assembly elections. While the BJP has been in the forefront as per surveys, the SP is also trying its best to regain the lost power in Uttar Pradesh. The SP also joined hands with the RLD Apna Dal, Suheldev Bhartiya Samaj Party and Shivpal Yadav's Pragatishil Samajwadi Party.
For more such fine stories and video reports from field, subscribe to our channel, The New Indian.